We have also learned that there is something called Boolean as a data type. Boolean is a data type, means it's a valid value of true or false. You can't have third value possible, right? So suppose we say when you see is x greater than 12, right? Where x is a variable. What you do is you are creating, this is a condition based on this. For example, another example, say write a Python program to accept user's age, right, and vaccinate only if age is greater than or equal to 12. Otherwise, say sorry. Suppose this is a Python program. In this program, the key thing is to understand that vaccinate only if, see, this is a condition, and then condition is age is greater than or equal to 12. I could have I can rewrite this and say only if age is at least 12. Both are same thing. At least 12 or age is greater than or equal to 12. The two important things. First, identify if this program demands a condition. Second, build a condition, right? So suppose we say age is a variable, then condition is age greater than equal to 12. This is your condition. This condition will determine what should I do or what I should not do. And as I said, if you look at this and we say age is greater than equal to 12, in this one, this is a condition. Without worrying about how to implement this in the code and all, let's just focus on condition first. Okay, the condition says that age is a variable. This is a variable, and this is a value, and this is a what we call it conditional operator. Conditional operator, like math operator, plus, minus, percentage, double forward slash, single forward slash, multiplication, double multiplication, which is power. All these are mathematical operators. These are conditional operators. Conditional operator we have already learned. Greater than, we have greater than and equal to. Remember, the greater than and equal to like this, not like this. This is not a valid way. This is not a valid way. This is the valid way. Right? Similarly, less than, equal to. Okay. We also say not equal to, which is exclamation mark here. Not equal to. If you say x is not equal to 12, right? Or student name is not equal to, right? Not equal to Anish. Right? I'm checking Anish as a name, which is in single quote, is not equal to. The way you read it is Anish is not equal to, is the way you read it is name not equal to Anish. It's a question mark. It has to be a question mark because you are creating a condition. You say is name not equal to Anish. So like this, you will see several, we will learn one by one different type of operators, right? And its use. Right now, what is important here is to understand the structure. You always create a variable name x, and then some operator may be greater than equal to, and say 80, right? You can also say some variable greater than another variable y. That's another valid, Boolean expression. So in the condition, what we are doing is creating a Boolean expression. This is a Boolean expression, and this will result always either in true or false. Okay, I can store this value in another variable. I can say z equal to x greater than equal to 80, right? This expression will evaluate to true or false, and z will become either true or z will become false. Capital T, true, right? So I can directly create a condition and that will result in true or false, and I can evaluate it to a variable, store it in a variable, and then use the variable to test true or false. Okay, make sense? Any questions so far?
So this was basically just figuring it out, true or false, like x is greater than or equal to 80, and then
Right.
setting it to whether true or not.
Right, right. So we are creating a Boolean expression here, because this Boolean expression will expand and become your, part of your code where you will write if-else statement. But I'm not going there yet. First, let's learn about how to create a Boolean expression.
Wait, so does x have a set value?
Yes, it will be any value. So for example, I say age equal to 12, right? So age can have any value, doesn't matter. If age is 12 greater than more, then you will do something, otherwise you will do something else. It depends on what value age has. You can enter your age, I will enter my own age.
Oh, okay.
Age is a variable. So usually a Boolean expression has this structure where you have variable, then you have a conditional operator, and then you have a value or a variable. So this will be a variable usually. This is a conditional operator, and this is a variable or value, where or value. Make sense? A variable, conditional operator, and a variable or value. Right? Now, what are the conditional operator? As I said, you have greater than equal to, less than equal to, not equal to, and equal to. The most important here, the matter of confusion is these two, because you have already seen this in math. You have seen this in math. What you don't see in the math is double equal to. Double equal to, the single equal to versus double equal to. When you say x equal to 12, you are assigning a value of x to 12. But when you say x equal to 12, this is called comparison. You're comparing is x equal to 12. This, the way you read it is x 12. This is, and this one is set x to 12. This is how you read this. So in the beginning, you may get confused. You may omit double equal to when you are doing comparison. Remember, double equal to is for comparison. Single equal to is for assignment. Okay. And if you say not equal to, use exclamation. Say x not equal to 12. And the way you read this is x not equal to 12? Question mark. All of these are question mark, except this one, because this is an assignment. This is not a question mark. But these two are assignment. Sorry, comparison. Is x equal to 12 or is x not equal to 12? So you have to remember double equal to for comparison. Anytime you create a condition, anytime you are creating a Boolean expression, you always say is x not equal to 12. Okay, and it's a very common mistake. Now, what we will do is I'll do a quick practice. I want to make sure that you guys are comfortable. So let me create a table, and I'm gonna create a table, and I'll shout out the name, and I want you guys to answer it. Okay. So this is gonna be my value A, this is my B, this is my C, and then these two will be my two expressions, or maybe three. If you guys can't read my handwriting, let me know. B is less than equal to A, and this one I'm gonna say C greater than 3 multiplied by A minus B. Okay. And A right now is 3 minus 5, and this is 7. So we will fill these three columns. Okay. So far so good. So my question first to Akash: what will this evaluate to? True or false?
It will be false.
A equal to 10 will be false. Correct. Right? Because A is not 10. A is 3 right now. B less than equal to A. What will this evaluate to, Anish?
Repeat the question.
Is B less than equal to A? Answer is true or false here, based on B and C here. This shows current values.
So true.
B is -5 and C is 7. Sorry, A is 3. So -5 is less than 3. True.
Yeah, it is.
Good job. Right? Dave, what do you think here? C greater than 3 multiplied by A minus B.
It would be it would be true because 3 times A would be 9. Wait, no, it would be false. It would be false.
Correct? This is how you have to do. Substitute the value and pay attention. Multiplication will happen before subtraction. So this will be false. Right? Another test. 10, 10, 21. And I'll ask next. I'll ask J. What do you think, J? This value. Is A 10? A double equal to 10 right now. True or false?
True.
Correct. Right? How about you, Mika? This one, B less than equal to A.
True.
Awesome. Pranav, what do you think about the last one? This one? What is it, Pranav?
Is it true?
True. Yep, it is true. Right? If you substitute the value C greater than 3 multiplied by A minus B, let's substitute the value. C is 21 greater than 3 multiplied by A is 10 minus B is 10. So this is 30 minus 10 is 20. So 21 greater than 20. Answer is true. Right? This expression will evaluate to true based on the current value of A, B, and C. Right? The last one, -4, -2, -9. What do you say, Rahim, here?
False. Wait.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
This is false. How about the next one, right?
That would be also false.
Also false. And how about third one?
That would be false.
Nope.
Or wait, it's equal. Wait, no. So that would be true.
True. Correct. Perfect. Right. So you guys understand how for a given value of A, B, and C, you will evaluate a condition to be true or false.